Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to view a camera, change the picture quality on that particular camera. So as you can see, we have all of our cameras in our entire system here. On the left-hand side, I can actually navigate to a specific server if I want to. So for this case, I'll navigate to our Portland office. From there, I can navigate to whatever camera I'd like to go to. I'm going to choose the entry. On top right hand corner, you'll see three dots. If you click those three dots, you can actually click the change quality. From that, you can change it to best quality, highest speed, 1080p, 720, 480, or 360. So for this, I'm going to degrade the quality down to 360. And as you can see, the picture becomes very granulated, very pixelated. Going back, changing the quality back to best quality, you can see it cleans the image up quite dramatically. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.